What is the wavelength of a signal with a frequency of 150 MHz? A 10 M, B 2 M, C 5 M, D 20 M. The correct answer is 2 M. What is the frequency of the Em wave with a wavelength of 12 cm? A 2.4 GHz, B 2.5 GHz, C 250 MHz, D 0.25 MHz. The correct answer is 2.5 GHz. The maximum peaks of an electromagnetic wave are separated by a distance of 8 inches. What is the frequency? A 256.4 kHz, B 1477.8 kHz, C 1477.8 MHz, D 256.7 MHz. The correct answer is 1477.8 MHz. What is the bandwidth of a signal having 928 MHz and 902 MHz as its upper and lower frequencies? A 26 MHz, B 26 Hz, C 1830 Hz, D 1830 MHz. The correct answer is 26 MHz. What is the upper frequency of a signal with a bandwidth of 6 MHz if the lower frequency limit is 54 MHz? A 60 MHz, B 48 MHz, C 60 Hz, D 48 Hz. The correct answer is 60 MHz. The distance that the wave travels in one cycle is called as A displacement, B wavelength, C cycle length, D cycle amplitude. The correct answer is wavelength. The range of electromagnetic signals encompassing all frequencies is referred to as A Em waves, B Em frequency, C Em spectrum, D Em radiation. The correct answer is Em spectrum. CPS is the unit of watt. A frequency, B amplitude, C phase, D gain. The correct answer is frequency. SHF Em waves are used in A ground-to-ground communication, B satellite communication, C aircraft to ATC communication, D underwater communication. The correct answer is satellite communication. Which one of the following is not a reason for not using X-rays in communication? A highly attenuated, B high power is required, C stopped by ionizing effects, D ionizing radiation. The correct answer is stopped by ionizing effects. Which one of the following is not a source of infrared radiation? A human bodies, B light bulbs, C Sunday, D books. The correct answer is books. Which organization regulates International Em Spectrum Division? A ITU, B FCC, C NTIA, D WCC. The correct answer is ITU. The portion of the electromagnetic spectrum occupied by a signal is called A signal spectrum, B bandwidth, C frequency width, D signal strength. The correct answer is bandwidth. Higher frequencies can have more channels for a particular bandwidth. A true, B false, C, D. The correct answer is true.